Elemeno is a microlearning solution that delivers just-in-time training for frontline staff at the point of care. We work with nurses and health systems across the country to drive quality outcomes and to have a great experience for the staff. Traditional training structures are failing because they assume uninterrupted access to time, space, surplus labor, and these conditions just don't exist in hospitals today. Nurse educators are stretched thin, coverage gaps are filled with agency labor still at 2.5 times the base rate, even after COVID. In a much more real sense, nurses need similar tools when they're working with patients. They need to be able to have that kind of information in a short, bite-sized, just-in-time manner, whether it's in a video or a short-form text guide aid. And that's what we do. We have over 30,000 pieces of content in our shared resource network that allows for a health system to be able to come in and start to use content that's been created successfully at other health systems that these health systems have opted into. And some of the outcomes that we have is that we're seeing great reductions in the amount of time it takes to onboard and orient a nurse. So we're seeing 75% reductions, which equals great time savings for the health systems. We're also seeing huge reductions in specific outcomes. So for example, a 48% reduction in CLABSI, and being able to look at also reducing patient harm by about 78% as well. So we're seeing great outcomes on the quality side, as well as on the onboarding and orientation side. And then the final thing I would say is it's taking less time to help maintain those skills of frontline staff. So often there's things like skills days that are done inside of a health system where they bring nurses together and try to keep the skills fresh. And we're seeing a 90% reduction in the amount of time that needs to be spent on those skills days, which means that you have nurses that can be at the bedside instead of in the classroom. And we're growing so quickly that we are now approaching 100 hospitals across the country. And in fact, we have recently found out that we made the Inc. 5000 list of one of the fastest growing private companies in the country, which is a testament to the outcomes that we're producing for our clients and for the hard work that our team is doing to be able to drive those outcomes.